Hello, my name is Lavinia. I'm a non-CPA accountant with over 20 years experience helping organizations gain clarity and control over their financial information. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate entering service revenue using the accounts payable function of QuickBooks. And I'm also going to show setting up service codes for more accurate and clear invoicing. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I wanted to go ahead and show is setting up service codes or product codes. To give a little bit of background on the organization, the sample organization that we're working with, it's a nonprofit organization that serves adults with developmental disability in residential program, a vocational or work program, and also an adult daycare program. So you'll notice in my service offerings, I have the daycare program offered at 4 levels of need, the residential at 4 levels of need, and the vocational at 4 levels of need. I've already set up my service codes, but let me just show you what you would do in the case of you setting up your own service code. You would go up to the top, you go to New, Services. And then just to demonstrate, let's say I was doing the daycare program services. So I'd say Adult Daycare Program, Level 1. And that is a service that we're offering. Then we would go down and we would put the reimbursement rate. Let's say our reimbursement rate was $120 per day. And then I would choose the accounting code that would go in. So that would be program services and fees, adult daycare. And then I would go save and close, or save and new if I was setting up several. But since I've already set this up, we'll just exit out of it. I just wanted to demonstrate how it's done. So let's go ahead and enter in an invoice. We're going to go to Sales, Invoices. And then we're going to create new. And let's look at our billing guide. So when we bill the services, what we're doing is we're doing an attendance record for each day that the client is present in the program. So we kept up with that for the residential services, and we also kept up with that for the daycare program. And then I have a billing summary where I've tallied up each person's level of need, how many total days they were in the residential program, total days in the daycare program, the rates that we charge for the services, and then the total revenue that we expect to receive on the 15th of next month. We go into the community service website, we enter in our billing, and then, as I said, we will look to receive those funds about the 15th of next month. I've set up a pivot table to make the invoicing process a bit quicker. So let's go ahead and enter the invoice. So the customer is going to be the state of Tennessee. And then there is the contact. The terms are net 15th of month. And the invoice date is going to be October 31st. And let's see, let's bill the daycare services first. So level 1 is 77. Level 2 is 50. Level 3 is 19. And And level 4 is 102. Now we'll build a residential program, residential level 1. We have 166 days. Residential level 2, 83 days. Residential level 3, we have 31 days. And residential level 4, we have 152 days. Okay, let's see, where did I? 166, 83, 31, 166, 83, 31, and 152. That is right here. Level 4 is 102. I have 192. So let's put that at 102. 154,090, 154,090. So we've gotten that correct. And then let's attach some supporting documentation, which will be that billing summary that we were looking at. And then we'll click save, and that's how you enter the billing. Invoice saved. If you learned anything from this video, click like, click share, and subscribe so you can be alerted when I do my next video, which we're going to go over prepaid expense. If you'd like to work with me, check down in the description for my Upwork link and connect with me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.